Did you know that fonts take up to 30% space on your site? And even though your site is fast, you can make it even faster by optimizing them. So in this video, I'll show you how to do that for free. It's very easy to set up and we'll be able to optimize our fonts in just a few seconds. Let's start by testing the size of the site we'll be using. So copy the website's link and paste it here. And then click on this button. Scroll down a bit and here are the results. You can see that the fonts take up a significant amount of space, which is quite high, and it affects the overall page's size, which is around this. This impacts the site's performance, making it slower to load. To improve this, we can use tools to compress the font files, reduce their size and optimize their loading. So go to WordPress dashboard, head over to Elementor, settings, and then go to advanced. Here I'll disable Google fonts to prevent them from loading on the site. Instead, we'll add custom fonts with a similar file size to help reduce the overall page size and enhance performance. Now, go to Elementor, custom fonts, go to shade blue and click on edit. Then click on add variation, and here we have different types of fonts available. Fonts come in various formats, each with its own perks. WOFF, which is Web Open Font Format, or WOFF, is great for the web because it's compressed, ensuring faster load times and less bandwidth usage. And it supports metadata and licensing info, making it a favorite among web designers. WOFF 2 is an upgraded version of WOFF, even more compressed and faster to load, supported by most modern browsers, making it go-to for web applications. TTF, or True Type font, developed by Apple and Microsoft, is versatile and works well on both screens and print. It's widely supported across different platforms, but it's a bit larger in file size compared to WOFF. SVG fonts, or Scalable Vector Graphics, are all about scalability, looking great at any size, perfect for responsive designs, but they are less common due to limited browser support. Lastly, we have EOT, which is Embedded Open Type, created by Microsoft and mainly used for Internet Explorer. This lets you embed fonts within web pages, but has become less popular with the rise of WOFF and WOFF 2. I've downloaded the fonts and here are the sizes they take up. As you can see, they are quite large, which can slow down our website. To fix this, we are going to use a tool called Font Squirrel that will help us compromise these files easily. First, go to Google and search for Font Squirrel and click on the web font generator link. This tool is incredibly useful for optimizing font size for web use. Here, click on upload button and we will upload the downloaded fonts one by one like this. Next, select expert, which allows us to optimize our fonts according to our preferences. In the font formats, I'll choose the True Type as it is widely supported and keep the other settings as they are. Once done, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and click here to download the customized font link. Now let's check the downloaded fonts. You can see that the file sizes have been compressed. Awesome. This process helps the fonts load faster. Before we move on, I need to tell you something. Using a free plugin to optimize is great, but what if I tell you that there is a free plugin that optimizes every part of your website in just one click? You just have to enter your website URL, click continue, and LF will optimize your images, fonts, codes, and all the important elements of your site to give a page speed score like this. It's free, so try it out and let me know if you like it. Now let's move on to the next step. Go to the WordPress dashboard again, head over to Elementor, and then to custom fonts. Here, we will add the downloaded fonts, click on add new, and enter the font family's names. Next, click on add font variation and upload the font file. Once the file is uploaded, hit the publish button. Now we need to add the other font files using the same steps. Click on add new, enter the font family's name, click on add font variation and upload the remaining files one by one. Alright, let's add a new page to see how our freshly added fonts look in action. So go to pages, add a new page and then click on edit with Elementor. Now on the left side, click on the hamburger menu, go to site settings and then click on global fonts. Here we will add the custom fonts, so click on the pencil icon here and in the family drop-down, select the new font. Next, using the same steps, I'll add the fonts to each of these types one by one. So let's do that quickly. Once done, click on Update to save these changes. And let's head over to the dashboard. Now that we have added all the fonts, let's test the website again to see if font sizes have been compressed. So go to Google, search for this website and click on this link. Enter the website's URL and hit the Start Test button. Scroll down to results, and yes, you'll notice that the font size, which previously took up a significant amount of space, is now reduced. This optimization not only enhances the site's speed but also improves overall performance, ensuring a smoother and faster user experience. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.